This is the title on which we are going to do the Just Be sessions. Every day, Just Be sessions, once in the morning and once in the night before going to bed. Those who are above 14 years can take it up for 1 hour, and those from the age of 10 and between 10 and 14, they can do it for just 30 minutes. Just sitting, eyes closed safely as soon as one gets up from deep sleep state and before going to bed. Okay. The title is Be Clear. You are not your feelings at all. Do you know one thing? The whole cosmos. By cosmos, what I mean? The science, the objective science has established, has found the age of this cosmos. It says this cosmos is 14 billion years of age. Time is a concept, illusory concept. Vast space is just like a carpet or blanket. The whole space is like a blanket. It is stretching, it is running, it is fleeting, it is expanding. The space expands. Do you know one thing? When we are asleep, the whole cosmos vanishes. For whom? For a separate mind, for a separate physical body identifying with a name as I am. For this I amness, only the cosmos comes into play, because I only identify with myself and name every object in the cosmos as a lively being, alive being, or a movement in inertia, matter, mind or matter, life or dead things, objects. Okay. But even this classification, how do we feel? First of all, we will have to get up from deep sleep state. Who is getting up? A while ago, one was fast asleep, and through a bodily feeling or a sensation or a thought, one gets woken up. If this feeling wasn't there, would he have arisen as his waking state, identifying himself with his name and that particular form, and waking up in a cosmos, in his bedroom? Right from his bedroom, he only creates the whole of the cosmos. So essentially, the feeling wakes an entity from deep sleep. In deep sleep, there is no form, there is no name, not even the cognition about our being alive in the body. One doesn't feel the throb of his heart. One doesn't have a thought. One doesn't have a feeling. Nothing is existing. How will one realize this? For this only, you again refer back to the first video that I had given, the complete secret about spirituality. The methodology has been given. I will repeat it here. This can be done from the age of 10. All our children can do, start it immediately, every day. The moment they wake up in the morning, they can sit for about half an hour. Between the age of 10 and 14, our children can take it up for about half an hour in the morning as soon as they get up. And before going to bed, they can do this for about half an hour. And beyond, above the age of 14, they can sit for 1 hour in the morning, before bed 1 hour. And throughout 24 hours, one can look within oneself that whenever a feeling arises in one, he becomes that man, he becomes that name. But in deep sleep, it was not so. The whole of the cosmos, together with this individual, don't exist. So that is the real state a while ago. Now you are sitting eyes closed. So whenever a feeling is the first unit of separate identification arising through you as yourself and the cosmos simultaneously. First you are arising as yourself, as that name and form, and along with you all your past is also waking up. Complete past is also waking up through you to gain expression as your life in this world. Okay, if you do this, what happens by and by, you are going very closer to the deep sleep state self, the truth. Okay, and who is actually going? Who are we actually? We are nothing but the intellect and mind. Intellect is filled with thoughts of our past, deeds of our past, experiences of our past, and mind configures them into thoughts, and we behave, we live our life, we lead our life here. So at the origin of a feeling itself, you are going to look at it. What happens? You will land up in stillness, or you will go silent. Both are same only. Stillness and silence within is the same. That was our deep sleep state a while ago. Now you are practicing it. So what's going to be your practice? Still all the feelings. Silence all the feelings. That's all. This is the practice. Okay, we will see in the next session.